On 24th of October 1857, Sheffield Football Club was founded, considered the first football club in history. In 1894, British Ladies Football Club was created, the world's first female football club. In 2005, La UD Las Palmas became the first professional football club with a team of players with intellectual disability. And although founded in 1889, Forest Green Rovers became in 2010 the world's first ecologist and 100% vegan club. In 2022, Girona FC became the world's first pet-friendly club.